again, shoulder width apart. We're going to have our palms come up, chin up, heels up. Palm down, chin down. If you can, pull the toes up for a moment and then go flat again. So your feet are going to do this, and then back to where you're stable. So palms up, chin up, back slightly arched, heels up. Palms down, chin down, back slightly rounded, balance, and then flat. So every time you come back up and then down, you again put your big toe and your little toe and your heel squishing into the ground, kind of like you're gripping. Inhale. Exhale. Start feeling that wave again with the spine, arch, and then rounded. And your spine movement all comes from your chin either being up or your chin being down. Spine is what directs the arch in your back. Do each of these maybe 5 to 10 times, and so we can move on to the next one, make our way through the set. So the first one is in front, like so. Next one we're going to do is like we have the ball, and the ball is getting bigger and bigger as we breathe deep. Get to your shoulder height, and then the ball gets smaller and comes down. So again, chin comes up, inhale, arch your back. Chin comes down, round your back. So I'm trying to make it deeper and deeper each time. My arms just float. Lift your heels, balance for a moment, go flat. Toes come off, balance for a moment, and then flat again. So it should again be like that wave going up and down your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Once you get much more comfortable with what we're doing here, these arms should just be floating. Shouldn't be like there's tension holding them up. They're just going because your body's moving. If you were to relax and let them drop, they would just fall to your sides. That's how much tension you don't want to have on your shoulders. So first one was in front. Second one was the ball getting bigger. Third one we're going to do is coming up this way and extending out, touch the walls. Try and touch the ceiling. Can't go any further. Relax. Interlace your fingers. Bring your hands to the base of your skull. Release your fingers. Stretch back like you're trying to touch your elbows behind your back. And then try and touch your elbows together in front of your body. Let your hips and knees bend. Flatten out your arms. Lock your knees. Lock your elbows. So it ends up being about three deep breaths or so when we do this. So this is inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Open up your chest, your lungs. Exhale. So I'm trying to sit my hips back like I'm sitting in a chair. And then inhale. Exhale as you lock your knees and elbows. So it's like there's a constant fight between being relaxed and being stretched as we do each exercise. So here I'm relaxed again. Here's the stretch. Inhale. Here's the stretch again. Exhale. Inhale. Relax for a moment. And then the stretch is down here. Exhale. So that contrast between being relaxed and being stretched with some tension is kind of helping you to relieve the tension and stress because you can see it obviously when you're doing that. So let's try a few more. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Inhale. Squish your arms together. Squish your stomach. Exhale. Open up the chest again. Inhale. Exhale. Relax again as we go into it one more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.